central North Carolina. Montgomery County in central North Carolina. Northwestern Richmond County in central North Carolina. Southeastern Stanley County in central North Carolina. Until 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Ansonville, or 11 miles north of Wadesboro, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Troy, Ansonville, Norwood, Mount Gilead, Uwharrie Haven, Covington, Pekin, and Lake Tillery. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If on or near Lake Tillery, get away from the water and move indoors or inside a vehicle. Remember, lightning can strike out to 15 miles from the parent thunderstorm. If you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Move to safe shelter now. Do not be caught on the water in the thunderstorm. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina:
Anson, Montgomery, Richmond, and Stanley.
The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a Morristown has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Sullivan County, the eastern city of Bristol in southwestern Virginia, southwestern Washington County in southwestern Virginia, until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Abingdon, moving west at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Bristol, Tennessee, Bristol, Virginia, Abingdon, Cylinder Park, and Hare. A chance of showers and
Oh, they already finished.
thundering with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
Then right